Hi everyone, welcome to my shed. I have moved all of my homebrew equipment out here, which is great because now everything's in one place. It's all consolidated and I can get a little bit more organized. So our house is really small and not everything fit in the kitchen, what do you know? So I had stuff like shoved in one closet here and another closet there, and it was just chaos. So now I have my like she shed of sorts. You can pretty much call it a she shed. It's definitely not as cute as the kitchen, but you know, I don't know. I'm gonna work on it. So welcome. I haven't seen you all in a while. Clearly, my hair is colorful. I don't know, it's been a hot minute. I'm actually getting it dyed, like re-dyed tomorrow. So in videos coming out in the future, I think I have a couple left where I filmed in the kitchen that I need to post because they're still relevant, even though I filmed them like 6 months ago or whatever it's been now. But I'm gonna have some videos from out there. There's at least 1 or 2 videos, I think, in here. I am editing one right now that was filmed in here because I did like an update. I already filmed this video, but it was long enough ago now that my life has changed again. There's just been a lot of shifting happening. Okay, so let's start there. All right, where in the hell have I been? I know I'm always like posting little community posts like, I'm sorry I've been gone a while, you know. But I got a full-time job at a meadery. Depending on the week, it was full-time plus. I was the tasting room manager and assistant mead maker. And I'm still the assistant mead maker, but I have dropped the tasting room manager aspect. That's when I had like initially filmed this video. I was still doing that. So working full-time there and also working in the skate shop that I own with my husband. It's just been a lot. Now I'm down to like I literally have like 3 part-time jobs now, including the skate shop, the meadery, and I also hosted a nicer restaurant in town. So I'm kind of all over the place, but I am feeling refreshed. I actually have more time for myself. I have more time at home, which is fabulous. I have more time and I have more energy and drive to actually start making mead again. Like this thing right here, this is my Craft-A-Brew. They sent me a kit, I think almost a year ago now. Really, really bad of me. I started this in like February and it's still here. So things like that are going to be taken care of now. I only made like 6 meads this last year. 2024 has not been a crafting year. You know, I realize that other mead maker YouTubers have full-time jobs on top of like them regularly posting videos, but for me it was just too much, and I found myself on my days off a bit more depression and anxiety and no drive, and I would just sit and stare at the TV. That's all I wanted to do. I'd basically get like executive dysfunction because there's so many things to get done in the house that I couldn't decide which to do at any given time, really. And so half the time I would just end up like bedlocked, not even couch locked, just bedlocked, watching TV. Although it is healthy to not be productive sometimes as well. I just have so many hobbies and things like this that just really went on the back burner, and I would think to myself every week, like, I need to make mead, I need to do my channel, you know, I'm like in this community and I love it and I have great friends here, and I couldn't do it. So that's kind of what's going on. I do post sometimes on Instagram if you all are on there. I'm definitely a little bit more active there. I mean, I feel like anyone who follows my Instagram would know that I've been working at a meadery for like quite some time now. I've actually been working for them for over 1.5 years, but it wasn't until about 7-8 months ago now that they actually opened their doors. So I kind of got in like before construction had even begun. I won't really go into that too much. I think I will put out a video at some point, like showing bits of it. And the location is up here just outside of Charlottesville. Virginia. It's called Thistle Rock Meadery. So that is what I'm doing. I haven't made anything for them yet. I've just been assisting, you know, but working in like a large scale is so different from like what I do here on a tiny scale. And honestly, most of my job is like cleaning, which is fine. You know, it's like you kind of help set up, you pump, you mix honey, you know, and then you clean it. You bottle it and you clean it, and clean the tanks, clean all the things, and slap labels on and all of that. I can talk more about that later. Really, I just want to say hi and introduce you to the shed before it suddenly appears in a different video. I've got a couple things happening, although they're not really like main videos. The only thing I have that's like a video is this craft brew sitting here. So I need to start making more mead. Oh, and I have another peach, a little peachy peach happening over here. And I have some cider and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a minute until I come out with some like good recipe videos, you know, as I like to do. Other than that, I don't know if there's gonna be a whole lot of like changing to my channel right now. I think I just need to like come up with some content that I wanna make. You know me, I like to have fun with recipe creation. That's my primary thing that I do. So if there's like any specific types of content or like topics that you would want to hear me cover or talk about, I can do that. I might make a beginners 101 series because it's something that like everyone has and I don't, but at the same time everyone has it, so it's like go watch Doing the Most or Man-Made Mead for your full your lessons, right, on making mead. But it would be good to have my own version of that. I've been thinking about having like a Virginia meadery series where I go to the different, we have like 25 meaderies here. It's insane. Not that insane, but Virginia is like the third largest per capita meadery state. I think third largest state for meaderies, if that makes any sense, my wording. I don't think all of them have tasting rooms, but they're all producing. So I was thinking about starting something where I go and like interview the owners, show the place, go over like their methods, things like that. But I don't know, we'll see, because Garrett, Man-Made Mead, also has his podcast series where he just talks to professional mead makers. So we'll see, and it's a little bit more ambitious for like me. Oh, so coming up this year, things that I will be a part of is CiderCon. I'm going to CiderCon. I'm going to be there with Doing the Most. We have our press passes, so I'm going to be filming a bit there. That's coming up in February. That's going to be fun. And then, of course, July is Mead Stampede. I have the cattle battle this year. I'm going to be making that this week. And if y'all haven't thought about Mead Stampede this year, I encourage you to think about it. Consider signing up. Consider entering. I think that's about it. Yeah. So just keep your little eyeballs out, boop, for incoming content. My hair's gonna change a lot. You're gonna see. It goes from blonde to purple, faded purple. It's gonna be stronger purple here, coming up really soon. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying. All right, I'm trying over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you all are feeling great. Happy New Year. It's the beginning of January. Happy New Year. I hope to keep seeing y'all around. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. Pretty crazy, considering I haven't been posting very much at all. Considering I haven't been posting. I'm almost 6K, which is pretty neato, spaghetto petito. I've been talking at y'all for a while, so I'm gonna let you go. Mwah. Thanks for joining me for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, anything to get the algorithm gods happy, since they are not very happy with me right now for not posting anything. And let me know what you have brewing. What are you making right now? Tell me all about it. I want to know. Sometimes I get recipe ideas from you all, like flavor combinations, so let me know. All right. Mwah. See you all next time. Bye.